In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to seamlessly add images on your website using GoDaddy's interface. It starts with navigating to your GoDaddy product page. On this page, look out for the option labeled Websites plus Marketing and go ahead and make a selection. Once you've done that, you'll need to manage your site by clicking on it. Next, we'll need to edit the website. Look out for a button or option titled Edit Website. Once you find this option, please proceed by clicking on it. This will open up your site's template, where you're able to make comprehensive edits. Now, have a think about where you want to place your image on the website. Once you've figured out where you want the image, locate the Add Section button or option and click on that. The sections that you can choose from will vary. However, some sections that utilize photos well are the Content or Photo sections. Once you find a section to your liking, proceed by selecting it. You are now ready to edit the section. Look for an option called Cover Media, or locate an image placeholder where you want to add your own image. It's now time to choose your desired image to upload. You have multiple options available. You can select an existing image from your media library, pick a stock image made available, or perhaps you want to upload a brand new image of your own. If the latter, you can drag and drop the file into the given space, or use the Browse function to locate the file. Once your image is properly selected or uploaded, click on the option that says Insert, and then the one that says Done. Doing this will add the image to your selected place on the website. After you're satisfied, remember to publish your site to make these changes live on the World Wide Web. Let's now add a photo gallery, shall we? Go to the page and location where you want to place the photo gallery and click Add Section. You will see an Image Gallery section, within which you'll find the Photo Gallery option. Select that. From here, choose a layout that suits your design preference and click Add. It's now the fun part where you can actually add images to your newly created gallery. You can upload multiple images at once, or select from your media library. An important note here is you can use the panel on the right to customize the gallery options, reorder the images as you please, and even edit individual photos if needed. As always, once you're satisfied with your edits and additions, don't forget to publish your website for the changes to take effect and go live.